Hey, this is Jack from Alphacharts with a stocks to watch video. Today is August 25th, 2024. Before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only. These are not recommendations to buy, sell, or hold any stock or security. Now, I may hold positions in some of the equities mentioned. Know your time frame and risk tolerance. All right, thank you all for watching my video. If you haven't done so, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It does help me out, and I do appreciate it. Also, you can find me on Twitter or X at Alphacharts365. You'll find I post things there all week long. Most of it market related. I also have an educational subscriber group for swing traders. Great amount of content. Again, it's $10 a month, but you get a in-depth weekend video. It's usually about 45 minutes long or so. Again, that's my longer watch list. We go through all of those. I also do a separate shorter focus list, which keeps it down to anywhere from 4 to 6 names, because I think that's really important to take that watch list and narrow it down to 4 to 6 names. Actually, what I started doing is a pick of the week as well, which is a 1 week, one name off the watch list. I'm sorry, off the focus list that I think is going to do the best. I just started that a couple weeks ago. It's been turning out really, really good so far. I do a market note on Sundays and Thursdays to keep everyone engaged. A midweek video on Tuesdays, again, trying to engage people where they need to be. Daily posts for subscribers only, chart requests, and so much more. Bonus content all week long as well. All right. I don't tell you where to buy or sell, just kind of the way I see the market and the charts and what I'm doing. This is great if somebody's working full time, somebody's new to trading, somebody that doesn't have the time to put the research in. It shortens that learning curve. Also, if you want to, like, if you've been doing this a while and just need another voice just to see what you're, confirm or go against what you're seeing. I believe everyone should have access to this type of research, and it's only $10 a month, and it's month to month, which is great because if you don't like it, you stop it. You love it, you continue it. Super easy as far as that goes. So anyway, so consider giving it a try. It's really easy. Just click on the subscribe button in my Twitter um profile, and go from there, right? Again, tons of content, so give it a try. All right, let's get into these charts. Looking at the SPY, we've had a very nice run up from the bottom. Now we've had some consolidation, a little bit of an outside day right there, then inside day here. So we'll be watching what develops pretty closely. But overall, I think we're in a market that we should be looking for things to buy. So let's look at some things to buy. First one is CAVA, which we all know about. The beautiful gap up, 20% gap up. So now I'm looking for some sort of consolidation in here. So one that it's on my watch list, not quite ready for me yet, unless it kind of takes out this top 125.50-ish, 125.60 area. We'll see. I'm sorry, about 126, we'll call it. OSCR, Oscar. Here's a trend line, a break of this trend line, and the VWAP from the last earnings. That would be interesting to me. So this one is kind of setting up there. Zeta, love this one. It's one I've been in the past. And I like it if it can break out above this $25-ish, 25.12, 25.15, somewhere around there. IoT, it's one that's burned me a bunch of times in the past, but it is having this, listen, it's back to where, this general area. And if it hasn't burned you, maybe give it a try, right? It's when I don't particularly trade anymore because I just got burned a couple too many times. And there's other names doing well, but the setup's there. And so my biases don't trade it, but it doesn't mean it's not going to work, right? Above 42 looks really good. App. This is AppLovin. Again, nice little consolidation. There's your shakeout. Now it's starting to move higher. Probably gets to 112 or so, maybe. This is clear and secure. Again, it looks great. It's in the cybersecurity field. Up to $33 or so. That's not a bad little move. What's that? 15% or so. Not bad at all. Again, nice flag that's breaking out of. It may be higher. What do I know, right? Um, 4. Big move up. There's your flag, break of the trend line, and maybe this can continue higher as well. AOKT. This is Alchemy. It's Alchemy. Anyway, so you see there's your IPO base trying to get back up, up to back maybe 48-ish, right? Something like that. We could put this a little something like that, right? 48, 49, 50, somewhere. Anyway, looks good. I like this on the breakout. Uh, New holdings. Again, beautiful pop. There's your consolidation. Might need a few more days of consolidation, maybe another week. I don't know. But this is a very nice looking chart, right? And again, if you go to the weekly, there's your IPO. I love the break above. That looks really good to me. IPO'd in 2021. So there we go. That's new. And then the last one is going to be Sweetgreen. Again, looking at the weekly. It was a SPAC. There's your IPO high. Came all the way down to $6. Holy smokes. And now it's all the way back up to 37 change. A breaker here probably gets up to this $54, $55 area. And it is in the right area of the market. So I like that as well. So Sweetgreen looks good. And a bonus content, looking for an ETF. For me, I think Hack is one of the prettiest ones out there right now. Has a beautiful big cup and handle. Again, 3 weeks up now. Pretty good move. Maybe it pulls back a little bit, but overall looks really, really solid. Drilling into the daily, you can see how it's just kind of inside day. So we'd love to see this inside up, and that could be a spot to consider for Hack. Okay, so there you go, one ETF bonus content there. If you haven't done so, check me out on X at Alphacharts365. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and really check out my subscription. It's $10 a month. It's affordable for everybody, and I think the content will be. I think it's only going to help you along your journey. That's it. All right. Again, thank you all for watching. You all have a great day. Bye-bye.